Okay, guys, just give me a few minutes. Alright. Weird. So, my live stream is 19 seconds off from it being actually live. So, that's why it might sound a little weird, because it's 19 seconds off. So, that's why everything is very far off what I was trying to say. Alright, so let's talk about the severe weather today. So, as you can probably tell from this, okay, so our severe weather is going to be along here, and our strongest storms are going to be probably between, like, right here. So the weird thing about this specific storm system is that the storms, Shepherd, Point View, I'm pretty sure, Longview, Dallas, Denver, or Denton, Spring, Houston, Austin, well, maybe not Austin. But a lot of the U.S. is going to be under a severe thunderstorm area. So, all in this box could get a chance of severe weather today, which is going to be all of this, obviously. So, our highest chances of tornadoes, actually, is probably going to be between the coast and closer over more. It's just more toward like the coast in Houston. Spring is probably closer to like no, but kind of a chance. So I'm mostly looking at where the highest cape it will be, which I could show you all that right now in just a second. This is actually the cape right here, and so let's go to severe weather thing real fast. Most unstable cape. Keep forgetting it's at the top. So as you can see, the cape is going through, and then you get this right here. This is our very strong cape. Holy, I didn't even realize this. What day is this? The 9th. So this is the day 9th cape. Look how high this cape is, guys. It's at 3,000, but at the same time, look how big the cap is, though. It's very, very far this way. So the cap, there's not really going to be a tornado in that storm specifically. So let's just keep blowing this through. So you can see the severe weather. This is what I mean by severe weather is probably going to be on the coast and more toward like Houston and stuff. Is whenever these storms hit, the severe weather is going to be mostly just here. So, yeah, this is really just going to be bad. What in the world? That's not supposed to do that. Okay, so whenever the severe weather hits, it'll be right there. The cape is obviously very, very high for the 10th. Weird. This isn't normal. So this is whenever the storms first start to form, and then it kind of gets shot eastward, I guess. I mean, the cape is still high, even, you know, in the yellow and the lighter blue, obviously, which means that the tornado chances are still going to be there either way. So there's kind of no escaping that if you're in the lighter blue, or especially yellow or red. The darkest red is probably going to be where the 3,000 cape is. At the same time, they're not going to really get anything, because look how big that cap is. It's just too strong, so there won't be any storms there. So our highest tornado probability is probably going to be between here and here. Well, especially here, actually. And here. And then it'll keep going down south. So if we just go back and play this through, actually no, could see that it kind of swings through the south. So if I go to here, this is our dew point for that day, actually. Oh wait, hold on, I went too far. So this is the 8th for the dew point, and this is the 9th for the dew point. So, as you could clearly tell, there's a lot of, you know, dew point in this specific area, obviously. So, there's a lot of dewy moisture, you know. I would have to see how high this is. And then you could see the dry line right here, which is this purple line. That goes in weird directions. So, a lot of our tornadoes and storms are going to be closer to the coast. The stronger ones are going to be in more like toward Houston and Corpus Christi. And they'll be going further up to Dallas on the 8th, not the 9th. And Louisiana might get hit by a little bit, but the storms are going to be all the way up here eventually. And most of our systems are going to be down here. So, we can look at one more thing. If I can find it. Oh, super cell composition. Yep. So you could see, like, it's pretty bad for some areas, and it can get worse. Why does it keep going to the 8th? So the 9th is probably going to be hit the hardest. So, also, we'll be talking about the solar eclipse later. So, yeah. Sorry about that. My microphone, like, disconnected for some reason. Oh, okay, anyways. So we have a very high... keep forgetting. Okay, so we have a very high tornado chance. So our tornado chances are going to be clearly high. Our cap is gone. Supercell, not so strong. And then our hodograph is kind of like a hook. So we could potentially get a good tornado where I live. Closer to where I live. I'll be right back. So our hodographs are very good. See, but this is the only thing that scares me for a tornado. Well, not really, because I like tornadoes. Like, look at the supercell. It's at 14.2. That is extremely high, and then all of this is also extremely high for like an EF3. That's just crazy. So our cape is 2,000 plus and 700 for some reason. But this is why we are getting those EF3 chances for for my area. So what I mean by my area, I mean somewhere in that circle. Could get an EF3 or lower. So if we go to, I think, if we get out of that, let's play this all the way through and see what else we get. Okay, we don't really get much. So if we go back to this one and then we go to Supercell Composite, I'm pretty sure they're different. Yeah, they're different. So you could see that the Supercell composition, for some reason, is way over here. Why is it so high over here? I feel like this is going to change eventually. That's not right. Hold on. For some reason, these models are not doing the right thing for some reason. Weird. Doesn't really help very much whenever there's supposed to be a decent tornado chance on the day that it's going to be hitting. So I guess I'm somewhere between the 10 and the 5. I mean, the cap is just so bad. What time is this for? 18. No. So if that's 18, then what day is this? 6. Alright, well. Let's go to the day where we're supposed to get that solar eclipse. For some reason, it brought me to the 11th. I don't care about the 11th. So, it's supposed to happen... I'm just gonna have to stop it there. Okay, so 84... whatever. Okay, so 84, what about 92? 92, okay, so we're gonna have to go to the 92 then. Ooh, this might not be good. We might have good luck for the solar eclipse, just maybe. Because since this is at 2... I'm trying to make my teachers happy because I told them that we might not be able to see... My brother is on the live stream right now. What's up, brother? Happy you joined us today. So, I think whenever we're gonna get our severe weather, it's gonna be closer to like the late afternoon. So, if I go here, what time would it be? Okay, so that says 111 hours, so that's closer to like 6 a.m. So, it's not terrible. So, I should be able to see the solar eclipse. Well, oh, man. I have to look at cloud cover. That's what I needed to look at. It was cloud cover. That's why I wasn't... I need cloud cover. Where did it go? It was just here. Oh, there it is. Alright. Check it out. Yes. Oh, no. Ooh, I really hope this is wrong. Ooh, it's... Oh, man. I really hope this changes. Well, this is not good. I really hope these storms happen earlier in the morning. Gosh, dang it. Well, oh, wow, okay, well, it's looking even worse now. I might be lucky because there's like an area, there's like a pocket of like lower level clouds in my area that seems to be lucky because it actually lowers the cloud visibility like a good 48.2%. Man, like, why did it could have been any other day, but it had to be on the solar eclipse. Come on, dude. Like, whatever. Well, these are saying 10:06 a.m. The eclipse will last over 2 hours. Like, that's a long time, actually. And it is kind of sad, but like at the same time, it could always change because it's like still 3 days away. I mean, if I show you some models real fast, since my brother's the only person on right now. Let me go to Weather Prediction Center. I mean, it's already open, so let me just go to this one. So this is the day of the solar eclipse, and you could see that it's right here. It's north of me, but at the same time, the storm like rushes up south, which hits Houston, Willis, Montgomery County in general, the Woodlands, Conroe. Everywhere in that area will not be probably able to see it, sadly. But oh wait, hold on, that's the wrong search. Okay, so what time will, yes, I need the exact time, come on. In Texas. There we go. That's why I was getting the wrong time. Oh. You know what? I do see where you get that from. So the total eclipse is only about 2 hours, or not 2 hours. The eclipse, like the entire thing is 2 hours, but the actual part where it's like the full solar eclipse is only about 4 to 2 minutes if you're lucky. Hold on, I'll be right there. My slightly annoying neighbors that just moved in are outside yelling. It's fine. I don't really care. Y'all can't hear it through the live stream, so it's fine. This is a really stupid question. Do you need ellipse glasses? Wait, what? He did not answer that question very well. I feel like some people are... So, the thing about Dallas is that they're actually in the heart of the severe weather right now. So, I can't really go to Dallas, sadly. So, you can see that it's in at the highest risk for the eclipse day, and then I'm just a tiny little dot in this circle. I'm not going to tell any of y'all where I live because I know my brother does, but I'm not telling anybody else who watches this after it's already done. So, that's why I'm doing that. Also, I may or may not call my brother after this and see what I can do. If I can. I'll try to video it, but I have to go to school that day, so I don't think I'll be able to. What is this supposed to do? I don't know. I guess we're about to find out. Yes. Okay, well, I hope this drawing website does not crash my computer. I mean, I never should, because it's literally like a small little bar that just sits on the side of your screen. So it's fine. And yes, after you turn off your computer, it does go away. If y'all are wondering what it is, it's called Epic Pen, or a pen, not pin. Epic Pen. And if you search it up, I'm not gonna spell that. You know how to spell Epic and then Pen. Just search that up in Google and then like download it, and yeah. So I think.
Left your shit downstairs again, little bully.
Sorry.
Please don't throw it away.
What? So I think the severe weather isn't going to be terrible, but it's going to be bad enough to produce some tornadoes closer up to Dallas. I'm about to end this live stream. Actually, no. I'll talk about the solar eclipse, and then I'll end the live stream. So let me just, beep, boop, boop, beep, bop, boop. Sorry, jeez, that was bright. Eclipse stuff to know. I spelled no wrong. Eclipse well, duh. Okay, eclipse map. So if I scroll down, let's go to NASA. If y'all live in Florida, or anybody who lives not in Texas, Arkansas. Ooh. Well, I guess, I'm actually not going to say that yet. Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. Why is that? Anywhere in this line, probably will be able to see the solar eclipse. So yeah, let's just hope this will be a good time, because mine is supposed to happen closer to like 1:43, I think. I drew that really bad. Okay, so from, I think, here to like somewhere out to here, you'll be able to see like a partial solar eclipse. So like only this part will be covered with the sun, but like there'll still be like a little bit of sun poking out of the side. So yeah, it's kind of weird how this just kind of curves. This actually reminds me of the jet stream that brings me all of my storms. Yeah, I'm sadly not going to get the total eclipse, but I could get, like, more of, like, an eclipse with, like, only, like, a small part of the sun peeking out, like, not like that, because that'll be, like, down here in, like, Louisiana or something. Florida, I feel bad, because all of this area won't be able to see it, including all of them. But as you know, there's people all in the world that are coming to just this line. Just to see it. Just to see it. Actually, I'm going to search something up real fast. I know this is going to be really bad. Bless you. I know this is going to be a really bad question, but, will North Florida be able to see... I know I spelled that wrong. Florida. able to see the eclipse. Yes. We will still be able to see partially the eclipse from Florida, from like over the half of the sun to like 3/4 of it will be. Actually, if you live in Florida, you might actually still be able to see it. Like, you're still probably not going to be able to, like, actually see it, but, like, there's a chance. But, like, it won't be, like, a good solar eclipse like I might have. Kind of depends if I have rain or not. But y'all will be able to see it in a different way, though. But, I mean, it's cool that you could still see it. Kind of. Not really. Doesn't look very good, but... Yeah, you won't be able to see the full eclipse, but you'll be seeing, like, half the sun gone. But you're definitely still going to need glasses the whole solar eclipse, though. Or just eclipse, not solar eclipse, just eclipse in general. So. I'm going to save image. Because I don't know why, but I'll just put that up there. I will bring this down. So, I guess Florida will be able to see partially of it. I mean, that's better than nothing, though. That's all I have to say. But you will definitely, like I said, a partial eclipse will be seen through 48 states out of, obviously, the United States. Why would it say 48 states? There's 50 states in scam caller. Hate scam calls. I mean, it is still sad that y'all can't see, like, the full eclipse. But I think there's a smaller eclipse that happens in, like, 2025. On, like... Sorry, my mic cut out again. So... So Central Florida will not be able to pass of no baloney. So about 2025. I said 2025, not 2024. I'm very confused at what my computer is trying to show me because it literally searched to be clips. So there was this one that was going like this. I saw a picture of it instead of this. So this will be the 2024 one. I should just wrote the 4. And then this is the 2025 one. So 2025 one, 2024 one, obviously. So, yeah, I think whoever lives in this box, I'm pretty sure you'll probably be able to see a very, very, very slight part of the eclipse, including this part, and maybe... I mean, it's still pretty impressive that it can go all the way out here. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's still surprising that it can say that 48th state, oh my god, 48 states... So it won't be this total solar eclipse next year. It'll be like a small eclipse. It won't really be it'll be a small eclipse, but it won't be like the full total eclipse, sadly. So that would be cool if it happened every year. Hey. So, oh yeah, apparently 48 states can see the eclipse, but not the total eclipse. Is actually kind of cool, including Florida.
Well, it is the sun.
That's true, and it's the moon. So, but yeah, Yeah, so there's like a eclipse that goes like this way next year, but it won't be a total eclipse, sadly. It'll be just an eclipse. So,
You can find something to eat here, everybody.
right. Yeah, Alaska sadly will not be able to get anything from this. Sorry, Alaska. If they did, that'd be actually weird, because it doesn't reach that high up. I mean, it says 48 states, not 50. But hey, I mean, we don't know. They could get lucky. Probably not, though. But yeah, it'll be fun though. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all's week, including the solar eclipse. I may go live on Monday and Tuesday after my school day, because I have to go to school. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna go now. Why is my drawing still up there? I hope y'all have a great day. I might call you, brother. I don't know. I'll figure out something with the solar eclipse, not total eclipse. Holy crap. So,